Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are coming across an error message on your Windows that says that the disk structure is corrupted and unrenewable, and you might experiencing this error message on your Windows. Let's fix it guys. First thing I recommend doing, actually go ahead and restart your PC and see that helps to resolve the problem. Sometimes simply restart can fix the problem guys. If you're still having problem, then you just need to attempt to reinstall that particular driver you have problem with. In case if you're still having problem, then right click on the start icon and select device manager. You just need to select the driver you have problem with. For example, I just selecting one of my drivers and right click on it and select update driver guys. Select search automatically for drivers, and the best drivers for your days are already installed. Click on close out of here. And now one final thing you can try, go to search menu and type cmd, click run as administrator, click on s, opens up a command prompt. You just need to type here sfc space slash SEAN NOW, press enter. This is file checking utility scan guys. If you have corrupted files in your computer, it will help you to fix it guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, this verification need to get 100% guys, so kindly please wait until this 100% is done. After finishing this, go ahead and restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, hopefully your problem resolved. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.